Hi, my name is Nursam Somantri. I want to presentation about the nature of geyser. Next. A geyser is the result of underground water under the combined condition of high temperature and increased pressure beneath the surface of the earth. Science temperature rises about 1 Fahrenheit for every 60 feet under the earth's surface, and pressures increases with depth. Water that seeps down in cracks and fissures until it reaches very hot rocks in the earth's interior become heated to a temperature of approximately 290 Fahrenheit. Water under pressure can remain liquid at temperature above its normal boiling point, but in a geyser, the weight of the water near the surface exerts so much pressure on the deeper water that the water at the bottom of the geyser reaches much higher temperature than does the water at the top of the geyser. As the depth, water becomes hotter and consequently lighter. It suddenly rises to the surface and shoots out of the surface in the form of steam and hot water. In turn, the explosion agitates all the water in the geyser reservoir, creating further explosion. Immediately afterward, the water again flows into the underground reservoir. Heating began and the process repeats itself. A favorable condition for geyser exists in region of geologically and volcanic activity, especially in areas of more than average precipitation for the most part. Geysers are located in three regions of the world: New Zealand, Iceland, and the Yellowstone National Park area of the United States. The most famous geyser in the world is Old Faithful in Yellowstone Park. Old Faithful erupts every hour, reaching to height of 125 to 170 feet and expelling more than 10,000 gallons during each eruption. Of Faithful can't its name because, unlike most geysers, it has never failed to erupt on schedule even once in 80 years of observation. Thank you for watching my video.